Every professional shoot ends the same way. The cards come out, the files move, and in that moment, everything you just captured is at risk. This is where workflows break. Files go missing. Time gets wasted. ProCapture Backup changes that moment entirely. It's the smarter, faster way to offload and organize camera files. No guesswork, no manual cleanup, no crossed fingers. The second your cards connect, ProCapture Backup gets to work. Your files are offloaded once and instantly secured twice. A working copy ready to edit, and a clean, untouched archive safely stored on a separate drive. Everything lands exactly where it belongs, every time. ProCapture Backup can offload several camera cards at once from multiple cameras, merge them, and renumber for perfect sequencing. With TimeWeaver, you can instantly sync capture times across multiple cameras for flawless chronological order. ProCapture Backup is Lightroom ready. Automatically add images to Lightroom as part of the offload process. Need a ProSelect album built? It can do that too. Whether you're in the studio or on location, you can start an offload and walk away knowing your files are safe, organized, and already in motion. ProCapture Backup gives you confidence from the very first step of your workflow. Start smarter, stay organized, and protect what matters most. Streamline your workflow today with ProCapture Backup by ProStudio Software.